So I'm doing work on my 2016 Tacoma, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to eliminate or find out where the rear clunk is coming from. I've read a lot of posts and forums about a rear clunk. Mine is really bad, so I'm going to take my wheel off here and have a look, see if I can see anything. While doing my research for this clunking, I found a lot of posts online pertaining to the drive shaft and lubing the drive shaft and all that stuff. So I started there. I greased all my U-joints. I'm not going to lie, they seemed like they were a little dry. So I greased every point on the drive shaft. And I guess depending on what Tacoma you have, the newer ones don't have as many grease points. This one has grease points at every location. So I investigated all that. Then I read about the slip yoke and potential binding up. So I took these little clamps. There's little clamps that, little steel clamps, here they are, right there on that slip yoke. I cut both of these clamps off. I pulled the rubber back. There was plenty of grease there. I added more grease and lubed. The splines were going in and out. Not an issue. I put the boot back on with a couple of clamps. So then I went back to one of my mods, and my truck has a lift kit. So let's look at that. It's fitted with these airbags, aftermarket, and I really like them because although I don't need it for payload or anything, I like how I can lift the back of the truck, and it gives it just the right amount of rake that I like. Especially since the truck was also lifted in the front. I don't really like that look when the truck is lifted in the front, not in the back. That leveling kit and that, I don't get that at all. I hate that. So I want to try to make these airbags work, and this is what I found with the setup. You can see my airbag. It's held on with one little C-clamp. Can you see that right there? And my clunking was this. Took me a long time to find out, but because there's only one clamp on one end, whenever I would put the brakes on the truck and come to a stop, the axle would rock and I get this sound. And the only way I discovered it was by deflating the bags, because when the bag is inflated to 50 psi, you think that would push this down. But even with the pressure on, this would always make this clunking sound. Tink, tink. Now, these trucks have a little bit of a backlash in the drive shaft. That's pretty normal. That was not the noise that I was experiencing. It was clearly this. And the only way I really discovered it is really not a good setup. And the only way I discovered it was by deflating the bags, just as a trial. After I had done the drive line with the grease and everything, and the splines and the slip yoke, I thought the only thing left back here, because the brakes seem okay and everything looks tight back here, maybe this aftermarket thing. And sure enough, that's what this is. Now, if there was another way to clamp this on the front, it'd be problem solved. But there isn't, and there's not really any room. I don't want to pinch the bag here, so my idea is to cut a large strip of rubber and insert it under here, so that if this happens again, at least I won't get the clunking noise. So I think that's really what I'm going to try. So let's take this apart, find some thick rubber and stick that in there. Okay, so I found this thick rubber. I'm not sure exactly how thick it is, but it's a thick, heavy rubber. I cut a little strip. I'm going to insert this underneath the bracket. See if this makes a difference. Okay, well I got this taken apart, the airbag, and you can see it's free. So now I just got to push this out of the way. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Just got to lift this up a little bit, push it out of the way. There. Yeah, that was a snapping noise that I heard every time. So push this out of the way. I'm going to get my piece of rubber in here. See my rubber? I'm going to slide this underneath. It's the same width as the leaf. I'm going to slide this underneath. I'm going to put the clamp back on and see what happens. Get a better shot of that once it's back together. Okay, stand by. Okay, so this is my idea with the rubber. And this is actually attempt number 2. The first time I had the rubber just laying flat here. And when I was compressing this C-clamp, the whole plate was rocking up. So, I don't know. So I tried to push the rubber. I pulled the rubber over the U-bolt here, hoping that this will have less rocking motion. I'm not sure. Ideally, I would have enough room to sneak another clamp in here. Maybe I could, I'm not sure. Let's try to tighten this down, see what it looks like. Okay, so as I tighten, it is lifting up a little bit. It's lifting up a bit. I don't really know what to do other than I'm gonna go put some air in here and I'm gonna try it. So let's do the other side the same way. Let's go air up this rear suspension and see if our clunk has gone away. Maybe with the air this will flatten back down, but I'm not sure. Alright, okay, I got everything back together. I'm gonna do a little test drive here. I'm gonna brake, normally loud clunk when I stop. Oh, nothing. Try it again. Okay, the clunk is definitely gone, but I also have no air in my lift kit. And I just want to give you a perspective. Like I said, it does not look horrible, but where it's lifted in the front, I'd like the back to be a little bit higher. If the front was dropped down, I would just leave it just the way it is. In fact, I probably would just remove the bags. But yeah, let's go air up these bags now. I'm going to put 50 psi in, and then we'll see the height difference. I usually gain, I think I measured it. I did a video on this a while back. I believe I can gain 2.5 inches in the rear. So let's go air this up, and we'll do a little test drive. See if hopefully the clunking does not return. All right. Okay, well there's 50 psi in the rear bag, so you can see the elevation. I kind of like that look. And it also looks like the bracket has flattened itself back down on the leaf spring, so the gap is pretty much gone. So let's take this for a little test, see if the hopefully the clunking stays away. Okay, we're aired up. Let's try our test again. Pretty quiet. Okay, that's as good as I'm gonna make it. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.